Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is softlife.com and welcome. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to batch edit your pictures to save you lots of time. So if you take lots of pictures, this video is going to be showing you how to edit your pictures all at once. So first, launch the Lightroom application on your mobile phone. Next, you're going to select the pictures you're going to be working on from your camera roll. You can do this by marking the images and importing into the Lightroom app. When the pictures have been imported, click on one of the pictures to start to edit. Now this is my own personalized presets that I have already created. I will be showing you how to create this in another video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
When you're happy with what your picture looks like, you're going to look at the top of the screen onto the right and click this icon to copy the settings or to copy the edit. Now click the copy settings, click the check mark. Good, and now it has been copied. So go on to your next picture and click the same dotted icon and click on paste settings. There you have it. Go ahead and repeat the same process for all other pictures, and this saves you a ton of time. When you're finished editing the pictures, now click the pictures, mark them, and export to your camera roll. And that's it guys, I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.